the bar, which is packed every night, because again, you got a lot of people that live and work around here. Over there's the restaurant, the South City Kitchen. And now let's go check out the room. Okay, it's Luxury Fred, and I am in Atlanta, Georgia. Actually, I'm outside of Atlanta in Alpharetta, Georgia. Well, actually, I'm in this cool new suburb of Alpharetta, or this new planned community called Avalon. And I am at the Hotel at Avalon Marriott Autograph Collection. So, in case you don't know, Marriott's Autograph Collection is boutique hotels, brand new boutique hotels. And this hotel is brand new. It's just built, just opened a couple of months ago. And it is very beautiful and stylish. And all the rooms have all kinds of new cool features and things like that. The hotel has a great bar downstairs. It has a great restaurant called South City Kitchen, which is a restaurant that's been around in Atlanta since 1993, serving great Southern food. And this whole little area of Avalon, there's an Apple store, there's a West Elm Furniture. It's this cool little mall with all these upscale stores and restaurants, and there's condos and offices, so that's this whole little planned community right here in Alpharetta. So this is room 725 here at the Hotel at Avalon, and let me give you a tour starting over here by the door. So we have kind of a wall unit here, and here is your safe in the drawer here, and then you have some see, won't open unless you shut the safe drawer, and then you have some storage here. You have a work desk here. Convenient outlet down there, but it'd be nice to have some more outlets up here. As you work, you can look at this interesting piece of modern art. Oh, there's outlets on the wall. I'm sorry, I didn't even see those. This unit is your mini bar, which is in here. Interesting, kind of moves around. And you have this trunk here, some stylish magazines. Big, very, very comfortable bed. Very, very comfortable bed. And I made the bed, so in case it looks messed up, that's not the Hotel Avalon's housekeeping, that's my work. Again, very cool furniture. Everything is nice and new and contemporary and stylish. Something interesting, cool piece of artwork on the wall with different Georgia songs, Rainy Night in Georgia, Georgia on My Mind. And let's see what else. Just had some room service breakfast, which was very good. A nice bowl of berries that I'm still working on there. Have this nice chaise lounge by the window there. And that's the road that takes you into Atlanta. And you can see some of the development over there. Nice little end tables here. Oh, there's a drawer here. Didn't even notice that. And the breakfast is on this cool chrome round table there. Nice big LG flat screen. And let me show you the bathroom. So the bathroom door doesn't close all the way. You know, it doesn't, it's just this cool barn door that slides back and forth, but it's one of these trends where the bathroom door doesn't kind of completely close that I find in a lot of hotels these days. Sadly, this room does not have a bathtub, which I always like to have. It's got this very modern shower. It's an interesting shower head up there. No individual things of shampoo to take home. They have these molten brown dispensers. Cool vanity here. and interesting bookcase wallpaper in the little commode alcove over here. So that's it. You know, I mean, size-wise, it's just a basic hotel room, but with cool design and cool furniture, it certainly is a very pleasant place to stay and work. Hotel's quiet, although you could hear the people next door a little bit. I wish hotels would insulate their walls better. If you build hotels and you're watching my video, please, I don't want to hear the people talking on the phone next door or their TV. And it wasn't like they were being loud, it's just a lot of hotels these days, you just can hear through the walls. Anyhow, overall, I really enjoyed my stay. It's a great place to stay if you're visiting Atlanta or if you're doing business out here. And again, all kinds of cool things to do right downstairs. And for some reason, this area, you can carry open containers. So when we went downstairs, the hotel was quick to tell us that we could take our drinks and our beers with us as we walk around the little Avalon entertainment area. So that was cool. So again, Luxury Fred here at the hotel at Avalon Autograph Collection, part of Marriott's Autograph Collection. If you like what you see, hey, go ahead and click like on the video, leave me a comment, tell me what you want to see in the future, and of course, subscribe to my channel for more great luxury travel and luxury car videos. And if you look on my YouTube channel, you'll see the reason that I'm down here in Atlanta. I'm here with Buick, and I've been previewing the 2018 Buick Regal GS, and we took the Regal GSs to Atlanta Motorsports Park and did some track time and some stunt driving yesterday, which was very cool. So you'll be able to see some footage of that here on my YouTube channel. And of course, you can always read more at luxuryfred.com. Thanks for watching.